So I wanted to highlight for you one of the easiest revenue generation opportunities that we have created for you right over here, in which you literally just have to copy paste. Okay, and that is like a high ticket service for which people charge $1,000, $2,000, $3,000, and even much more than that. And that is copywriting as a service, and in which you help people with their sales copy, right? So AI marketing engine of FlexiFunnels, what it does is it produces for you the full-fledged sales copies, ad copies, landing page copies, everything that you want, which actually a professional copywriter does. A $5,000, $10,000 worth professional copywriter does. It does it for you, and you can just simply go out in the market and start selling it, right? So if we just look at the opportunity, just go to, let's say, site like fiverr.com and check for, let's say, gigs for, let's say, sales copywriting. Okay, let's type sales copywriting. Like, you literally can just copy paste and start generating income for yourself. And let's look at some of the pro vendors over here, because you want to see the full potential. This is exactly what people are already charging. Okay, and this is, don't get confused by looking at the amount over here. I want you to have a look at the actual amount. Okay, so somebody who is, and by the way, look at the potential. 78 people have given 4.9 rating, 66 people have given 5 rating, 63 people have given 5 rating, 142 people, 79 people, 137 people, 50 people. So this is a service for which people are actually paying, and they are continuously paying, because this is the most important service which actually matters in the online world. So those of you who do not understand what is copy, basically the content that you write on your landing page, on your website, on your emails, on your ads, that is the copy. Sales copy, ad copy, VSL copy, whatever it is. So these headline I have written over here, so it has a purpose, right? The purpose is to convert the visitors into customers. So every single word that goes on your landing page, it has an impact on the conversion of the landing page, right? So that is why every single word is like, it matters the most. It's not content writing, it's copywriting. Content writing is not that high level paid service, but copywriting, as you will see over here, let's have a look at some of the copywriters and how much they are charging for 150 words. 14,000 rupees. Let's have a look at this. For 600 words, 47,000 rupees. This is the exact worth of the copywriting services. Let's have a look at this. 6 persuasive emails, 26,000 rupees, because it is going to bring in the sales, right? Let's have a look at this. 66,000 rupees for the 8-part email sequence. Let's have a look at this. Premium content, ideal for long sales page, 52,000 rupees. And what we have done for you is our AI marketing engine, it produces all of this content for you. Let's have a look at this. You go to the campaigns. First of all, you will create a customer profile. So just like we have created multiple yoga, parents, like whatever your niche is or your client's niche is, you will be creating the customer profile. Then you can go to the campaigns and select the profile, let's say parents, and do any kind of campaign. For example, you want emails, you want ad copy, you want upsell ideas, you want headlines, you want WhatsApp messages, you want ad hooks, you want video ad script, you want webinar page copy, sales page copy. All of this is going to increase your revenue, your sales, as well as you can just literally copy paste, offer it as a service, create a profile on multiple platforms like Fiverr. Like the kind of copy I want to show you. Let's have a look at this. So this copy was generated for a parenting, story parenting coach yesterday, and the kind of copy that is being produced for you is like, so basically our AI marketing engine has been taught with years and years and years of data of top-notch marketing, the top-notch marketing work of all the marketing legends like Gary Halbert, Claude Hopkins, and all the top marketing legends, the top converting funnels data of Indian funnels, our own sales funnels data, like all of that has been poured in inside this AI marketing engine to create any kind of copy work for you. That is the level of training that has been done in the backend. And now with the help of all of that, you just need to, let's say, if you have to generate a sales copy, okay, all that you need to do is, let's suppose sales page copy generation, all that you need to do is just answer these 4 questions. That's it. And your sales copy is going to be generated something like this. See, transform your parent-child relationship in just 21 days. For parents who have tried everything to break their child's screen addiction, discover the ancient wisdom that transforms screen-obsessed kids into curious, connected children who choose stories over screens without fights, guilt, or complicated rules. A simple 10-minute daily ritual. So if you will see the persuasion elements, see in copy, in sales page copy, what matters is how are the persuasion elements, okay, how it is let's say convincing the end target customer to convert. So for example, have a look at this: transform the relationship in just 21 days. What that means is the result is going to be quick. Number one, it's limited time offer, which means urgency, like multiple persuasion elements, right? Let's have a look at this. For parents who have tried everything, so basically targeting the ideal customer, discover the ancient wisdom. So basically something which is proven, which has been there, which is a wisdom, right? It's not information, it's wisdom. So something which is proven. Screen obsessed, so basically the pain point, right? And objection handling without fight, guilt, or complicated rules. Because the kids, when they are given any complicated rules or any kind of rules, they will repel. So this is to the level our AI marketing engine understands the ideal customer avatar, and that is how it creates these, super copies for you. So have a look at this: a 10-minute daily ritual. So for the person to feel that okay, it is not complicated, it's simple to follow, right? So let's have a look at this proof, like all the testimonials and all. And then imagine what your family life could be in just 3 weeks from now. Peaceful mornings. And by the way, if you have not yet seen the demo of AI smart website builder of FlexiFunnels, like to your clients, you can even offer them a done for you sales page. You just copy it over here, go to the FlexiBot, paste the content. So we have also given you the story parenting. This page we actually converted yesterday, and let's have a look at this. Reclaim your child's attention, the imagination, heart to the whatever. So it will also do some modification if you want, right? And let's have a look at this. Parents just like you are transforming their relationships. Transform your family life with the ancient wisdom that modern parents are rediscovering. Peaceful bedtimes, breakthrough communication, academic excellence, deeper sleep, confidential parenting, vanishing screen addiction, effortless value transmission. If you are worried about technology taking over your child's life, like imagine this: if you are a parent reading this, you have seen the blank stare in your child's eyes when they are fixated on a screen. But did you know this state actually resembles addiction at a neurological level? You would want to pay attention to this, right? And you would want to be, taking action on this. You feel guilty when you use devices as little babysitters, but you are exhausted and don't know what else to do when you need just 10 minutes of peace. You have tried limiting screen time and all the pain points. So basically, this AI marketing suite, it understands your customers and it creates everything. For example, okay, we created a copy, sales page copy over here. Let's see. I will show you something else. For weight loss, okay, a lot of people ask us for sales page copy only. So one webinar page copy has been generated over here for some memory coach, right? Let's have a look at this. Discover the memory metrics that transform, and then we have also given you headline generator that will create more headlines for you. At the same time, they will also add copies and stuff that was also generated. Let's look at some of that. Let me go to page number 2. So let's see, have a look at this. Add copy with image suggestions. Are you still trading time eyes for money in a job that is going nowhere? Stop building someone else's dream while watching your own dream die, right? So this is for the AI webinar. So let's have a look at the ad copies, right? Are you still trading eyes for money in a job that's going nowhere? While you're reading this, thousands of regular people are building automated business with our AI system. No tech skills needed, and literally no tech skills needed. We have built this AI systems for you: AI copywriting agent, AI website building agent. Everything has been built for you with a proven data of years of conversions that you just need to literally actually copy paste and then create the profile on multiple platforms, like Fiverr, Upwork, freelancer.com, and just sell out the copy over there. If you want to do the tweaks, you can do that. So I just want to show you the easiest opportunity that is available sitting over here right in front of you, in which you literally just have to copy paste, right? And as a basically inside this AI marketing suite, you are getting access to minimum 10,000 words per month. So the value of per word. So you are able to sell, let's say, how much? There was some 8-part email sequence, 66,000 rupees. 600 word for 47,000 rupees. So we are giving you 10,000 words per month included, even in the basic plan. So you are like fully sorted, and then when you want to do it for more clients or for yourself, you can actually upgrade, right?